If you're a nature lover or a fan of exotic birds, a visit to the Mullaney Botanic Gardens and Bird World in the Sunshine Coast hinterland is a must. These incredible gardens are spread over 18 acres, featuring beautifully landscaped sections and picture-perfect picnic spots with views of the Glasshouse Mountains. A real highlight, the Bird World aviaries, where you can get up close and personal with over 700 colourful birds. From parrots, macaws and cockatoos, it's an interactive experience you'll never forget. So, if you're looking for a fun family day out, Mullaney Botanic Gardens and Bird World is a must visit.